Finally, Google has launched the Pixel 8 Pro. Now this is the Google Pixel 8 Pro, comes with a very big packaging box, which looks really nice, which says Google Pixel Collection. And as for the price, the Google Pixel 8 Pro starts around $999 to $1,399. It comes with 4 variants, which is 128GB storage, 256GB storage, 512GB storage, and 1TB storage. So right away, I'm going to do unboxing and review of this Google Pixel 8 Pro. Please, if you are new to my channel or this is the first time of you coming to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I drop a new video, just like this one you're watching. Now let's start with the unboxing experience. Last year, Google released the Pixel 7 Pro. Now Google have released the Pixel 8 Pro with some incredible features. So take a look what's included in the box. I think it looks pretty good. Most people have seen say they really like it, some don't, but let's go ahead and remove the covering here. So let's take a look at the back. In the back we have glass, but this is really nice, a matte glass instead of what we have in previous year, the Google Pixel 7 Pro, which comes with a glassy glass. Of course, on the front of the phone we have a flat display this year, so really nice design here. And if you go around the phone, at the right hand side we see the volume rocker key and the power button. Moving to the top, it looks like we got a little microphone. Now moving to the left hand side, we see the SIM card tray and nothing else. So let's go ahead and pop that off. You will see that no expandable storage, just the SIM card tray itself. And as for the processor, it comes with Google Tensor G3 processor. That impressed me. Comparing it with the previous Google Pixel 7 Pro, which comes with Google Tensor G2 processor, I hope you can see the difference. As for the weight experience, the Google Pixel 8 Pro clock around 213 grams, while the Pixel 7 Pro goes around 212 grams. I hope you can see the difference. Then if you want to put the phone in a case, this is a case that fits the phone perfectly. It covers both the rear and the back of this smartphone. So that is by the way. Let's talk about other things. So first of all, let's on the phone first. For the display, it comes with 6.7 inch with 1344 by 2992 with 489 pixels per inch. It also comes with 120Hz refresh rate, which can pick a brightness of 2400 nits of peak brightness. That shows that this smartphone can be easy for you to use under direct sunlight. So after owning the phone, you have to set the optical one-place fingerprint sensor, which you can use to unlock the phone whenever you want to make use of it. So that is by the way. And let's take a look at the screen brightness. It's supposed to be incredible bright. Take a look at it. That looks great. So please, if you're enjoying this video and you understand the effort I'm putting when doing this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell. It won't cost your data. Let's talk about other things. As for the battery aspect, the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 5050 mAh battery capacity, which will charge super 50% in 30 minutes according to Google, with the 30 watts fast charger. And I always use this charger from Anker. This is a 100 watts fast charger which can be easy to charge up your device super fast. So as for this charger from Anker, I use it all the time. It's super fast. And before I forget, this phone comes with IP68 dust and water resistance, which can be easy to survive water splashing on it. And Wi-Fi 7 802.11 BE. So that is something I haven't really seen on a smartphone yet. Bluetooth version 5.3 with ultra wideband chips. So let's take a look at the cameras. We have 50 megapixel wide camera, f1.68 aperture with 48 megapixel ultra wide camera. We also have a 48 megapixel telephoto camera. We also have 4K 60 recording. So take a look at the phone. You will notice that it comes with a Google Watch. It covers with a Corning Gorilla Glass. So if you are going for the Pixel 8 Pro, the main things you have to bear in mind is that it comes with Android 14 on the box with Google Tensor G3 processor. And it also comes with IP68 dust and water resistance and 10 megapixel selfie camera with under display optical fingerprint and 5053 mAh battery with USB Type-C 3.2. That is by the way. Thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting and the effort I put when making this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I drop a new video just like this one you're watching. Catch you guys on the next one. Thank you.